man, you're 101, bro. You gotta embrace it now, man. Like you see everything, you see it all. It's all coming, man. Like from just think about from when y'all first made y'all documentary to now, like
crazy. And just when I first met you guys.
Right, right, bro.
So now it's like, wow.
How's Ramon? How you holding up?
He's all right, man. You know, so he's no longer like my manager, but he's still cool though.
Yeah, I know he's still gonna be your brother regardless.
Yeah, he does my like videos and photography and stuff.
Okay.
Like that. But he got a job now where he's like one of the assistant directors at the Knight Foundation. So you ever heard of the Knight Foundation? No. It's like a funding, like a big endowment fund organization. So they give grants out to like stuff and actors. So I got him put into that.
What?
Are we still gonna put the button
all right.
Oh, yeah, he's doing all right.
So, I'm happy for him, man.
Definitely, man. Oh, man. How mom's holding?
Good.
Is she still out in Akron or she went to Boston?
She's in Akron. She is. Huh?
You want some sunglasses?
Like from who? Ford guy? You know.
He's kind of hinting it out there, like, do I have some? Can we get some for it?
I was thinking about. I need to get some myself anyway. But I was like, I don't even know what to get.
Are you have a whole stylist?
You make sunglasses?
I don't make them, but I can pick out a pair for you easily.
Find some sunglasses. So this is what you also have to kind of get in your head now. You're a celebrity. I don't care where you think you rank at, but you can't look certain ways anywhere. You gotta always be fly from now on, no matter what it is.
That's true.
They're looking at you.
They're definitely looking at you.
And you of age, so now everybody's looking at you. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're not the little high school guy no more. Like, you're of age. Like, you out here floating. So
take a look at yourself so far.
I like it. Oh, you talking about the big mirror?
Yeah, big mirror.
Let me as soon as I can.
Can I put you up there?
Oh, I should see it. Okay, I can see where this is headed.